This is Carmelo, and he started SprayNet at 23 years old and scaled it to $30 million a year.
Your business is either growing or it's dying. You can't.
Wow, 23 years old, making $30 million a year. Isn't this amazing? And don't worry, you don't have to do the paint job, and you don't even have to watch the full video, because I have done the study for you. This guy is doing the whole operation in just 3 steps. However, step number 3 is quite frustrating, and that's why I will give you bonus step number 4, where you will earn $800 plus in passive commission. So step 1.
Well, he realized the gap that everyone in the painting industry failed to see.
For me, like when people say it's always been done that way, that triggers me. If it's always been done that way, that means nobody ever really looked into it, and then you probably should. And it all started with an idea that everyone said was impossible.
He found a gap in the market that no one else was doing.
They had a recruitment seminar, and I can start my own business. I don't care what it's in, let's do it.
Where are we exactly, and how do you utilize this building here?
This is actually our SprayNet HQ. It's our biggest of our offices. And
step number 2 is absolutely not for beginners, but knowledge is power. He was doing something unique.
You were like actually using it as fuel to be like, you know what, I'm gonna make it happen.
Yeah, that fueled me, because he was like, well, you can't add additives after the fact. And I'm like, well, why not? Like, it depends on how balanced your formula is. If you ready your formula to be able to do that, why can't you do that? And he's like, well, that's just not how it's done. He literally said, that's just not how it's ever been done. And I'm like, well, that motivates me.
That's awesome.
And finally, the hardest one is step number 3. Don't worry, because reward awaits you.
With what you've learned, what's your advice on how to overcome that fear and just go after it?
As somebody that's older, I would say, like, make sure that you've got pretty clear expectations around how quickly you think the business is going to grow, how quickly that could potentially replace your income if you need to, and does that give you enough income to survive, right? Always have a plan A, B, and C. I think the fear is the unknown, right? But if you've got a few different options and they all work for you, now it's just taking those options and making them work.
That's awesome. You have a quote in your office about plan A. If plan A don't work, you still have what, 25 letters in the end?
Yeah, exactly.
So there you go.
Things may not work, and it did not work for him. When it did not, go to the next step. Use AI and learn new skills fast. And then use social media. Use your knowledge to make simple short videos. Upload your videos on social media sites. Social media is amazing for getting targeted customers, and they will send your customers to your AI-powered automated funnel. This automated funnel will do the selling for you, and when there is a sale, you will earn $800 to $1,000 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the best part in our program is it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99, and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.